waiting on Diesel Lucy.
All right, we are here in the St. Genevieve County Memorial Hospital. And what is that? Look at this.
What's here?
Oh my gosh. This is an antique elevator. It's an Alderson.
Yep.
Wow. It's got out of B.
Finally got to see the Alderson.
Oh, cool. Plaza Tires here. I used to use them to work on my truck. And will it go?
Yeah, well, it takes a while. This door is really long.
Ooh, classic weapon. Cool, a vending machine.
Yeah, this door is really long. I think this has
Look
been...
up in the mirror. Hey there, you can see me in the mirror.
I think they modernized this,
Here
actually.
we go. Let's listen to it. Bum.
Let's put it down to B.
A nice elevator. They put a drop. This is another elevator with a drop ceiling.
Yeah. I believe this was... something was modernized on this.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. But I do like that classic level. All right, let's get out and send the elevator up. I want to show the call button.
Okay, there's the call button.
That is a nice elevator. Does the what in use light work?
I think it does down here.
If it ever decides to go.
It does take a long time to close. There it goes. Yep.
Cool. That is awesome.
That's
In
it.
case of fire, use steps.
It might be a while because
There's
it...
a mirror. And that's authorized personnel only back there. When was this hospital built? I do like this.
I'm not sure when it was, to be honest.
I do like the way this looks. Do you know what this is right here?
What's that?
Time clock.
Oh yeah, time clock.
Now let me get the elevator classic leveling. It should be back down here in a second.
Yeah, it'll take up off that door.
Look at that level. This is a nice elevator. I'll tell you, they did a nice job redecorating. It looks all modern, but they put the drop ceiling in. I'm trying to elevate towards video light. All GAL equipment. But this is a very nice elevator, Jason.
Yeah, and from the looks of it, would you ever think this was in here?
No.
I didn't either. I didn't actually know this existed. I didn't even think this hospital had a basement.
Here we are back up in the lobby. We'll eventually close on.
It's the only problem with that elevator is the door is really
I
long.
mean, it is meant for living.
It is meant for, yeah. Right. That's
That
it.
was awesome.